Good morning, fellow viewers. Matty Views back again, hitting the trail today. Heading up to do Mount Hancock, or the Hancocks, there's two of them. And going out for a nice little winter hike today, as you can see. First hike of the new year. Last year I finished with 19. We'll make that 18. I have 19 total, so today we'll have 20 and 21. And we chose the Hancocks today because I got a couple of buddies, my cousin Blake, the homie Violet's coming with us today. And this is rated as a difficult trail. And there's going to be a couple of river crossings, which should make things very interesting, and it's rated as difficult. So coming out today for a challenge, bright and early today, and this should be a good one. Really looking forward to it, really excited. Got some new equipment that I bought. Yeah, super excited. So stay with us. It should be an adventure, and we'll be back soon. All right, everybody. Back again here doing the Hancocks, Lincoln, New Hampshire. It's about 18 degrees. Beautiful day so far. Sun's still coming up. 1.1 miles in. And the parking lot for Hancock's really easy to find. Just drive through Lincoln, New Hampshire, and then get on the Kangamangas, and then there's going to be a sign for a hairpin turn. And right there you'll see a sign for trailhead parking. Don't be confused. Park at the very end of the lot. There is like almost a little gate you go through, and you actually literally have to cross over the Kangamangas to get to the trailhead. And then this first mile, really easy. It's been literally flat the whole way. So no big deal there. Everything going really good. Knock on wood. Beautiful day. Snow's nice. Trail is packed down. Maybe some snowshoes could have helped out today, but I have micro spikes on and I'm managing just fine. So stay with us. We did have one small little stream crossing that was easy to just rock hop along. When we get to the more gnarlier stuff, we'll be sure to record that. So right now, feeling good. Mile in. Oh, there's Sonoma. So stay with us. Take care. All right, everybody, 1.7 miles in, and we hit our first sign here. Follow these signs, Cedarbrook Trail to Hancock Loop Trail. Based on the map that I have, we're going to be coming up to our river crossing here, I think, pretty soon. And we've had a couple of small streams that we've had to cross, but haven't had an issue. Got some micro spikes on. The rocks are a little bit icy. There are some icy patches here on the trail, but nothing that's been too crazy. Nothing that's really kind of made us watch our step. It's been really simple. So as far as the trail goes, on the way out this far, it's been super easy. So it's rated as difficult. So now my thought is maybe it's difficult because of the water crossing that we're about to hit, or because it gets really steep really quick, but we'll keep you posted. 2.3 miles in, and we've got a crossing here. I don't know that it's that difficult. It looks like there's a well kind of packed down kind of stick bridge, snow bridge thing here. I don't know if this is the one that's supposed to be treacherous, as I had read about, but pretty easy. Map does show that there is one more on our way, so when I get there I will report back to you guys. But right now, just sun peeking out. Beautiful day. I want to say that it's warm for this time of year. I don't have a lot of layers on. I feel just fine. And the trail so far is just really flat and not that big of a deal. So probably what's going to happen, I'm sure, is we're going to get to a point and it's going to go straight up. But I'll let you guys know. 2.5 miles in, and there's the sign we're always looking for. So again, it's been flat for this last like 2.5 miles, just some small kind of hills to go up. So I can imagine that it could be rated as difficult because we're probably about to get our butts kicked right now. According to the map that I had downloaded, there doesn't appear to be another river crossing. So I don't know, man. I take everything into consideration when I'm reading stuff about the trails. I think people get river and like brook confused, but I haven't had a problem. I don't see any issues with coming out here in the wintertime and getting across the waters that we have crossed. So unless there's something super crazy up here, I think you're good to go. So we'll be in touch. Stay with us. All right, everybody, here we are 3.5 miles in, and got some signage here. Your South Peak, half mile away, and then your North Peak, 0.7. So you got a couple options here. It is a loop, so you can hit them both, or if you want, just go up. You can drop your pack here, hit south, come back, and do north. But from the trail reports that I read, it's just easier just to do the whole loop, and it's easier to do it clockwise. So that's what we're gonna do. We've settled on that. Now, just to show you, it's been a pretty gradual incline so far, but you probably can't see it through these trees, but I mean, we're going up, and it's not gonna be fun, I assume, but that's probably where this trail is maybe rated as difficult, because it's been very gradual up until now, and then you're just going to get kicked in the butt. But super nice day. Looking like we're going to have some great views finally up there, and I am just super excited. I'm trying to get through this. Okay, so literally that's where we're going. So this incline is going to get pretty steep. So we'll be back with some more footage, but as of right now, it's just been tremendously good, and happy to be out on the trail today, so stay tuned. Okay guys, we're 3.9 miles in, and we realized that this trail is rated difficult is because, man, is it gotten real steep. So we're about 0.3 away, and it doesn't look like it. So we'll see what happens. So yeah, this is it's really steep. I can understand now that it's a difficult trail. It's really easy to get in, but once you get to that marker where it says you're 0.7 away to North Hancock, it really just dips down and then goes straight up. So taking a quick break here to get some energy to finish it out. When we get to the top, I'll report back. There we are, everybody. Look at this. Just a sea of clouds out there with mountaintops poking through. Top of North Hancock. Just a beautiful day. And I've got to tell you, I have been skunked on my last few summits with no views. And today is just, man, the reward today. I'll look at it for miles. Absolutely beautiful. So North Hancock, about 4.2 miles in, and then South Hancock is 1.4 miles. We're gonna hit that one next. Now there is another Hancock that you kind of have to bushwhack to. I don't know how to get there, nor are we gonna go there, but there is some kind of hidden logbook over there where you can sign in, but we're not gonna venture over there. That's just not our skill set to do that yet, but if you can research that if you want. But all right, we'll see you at South Hancock. Okay, everybody, here we are, South Hancock, and the trail over here was very nice. Pretty simple, not a lot of we'll say hills to climb. Wasn't bad at all. So that concludes the summits for today. A lot of gray jays out today, and now we're just gonna head back down. So South Hancock has a outlook, and I'm gonna head over there to take some pictures, but
yeah, walk down here, Matty.
yeah, we'll do. So we'll report back. These gray jays are just, oh, sorry. Want some treats? So yeah, all in all, I know how people rated this as difficult, and I totally understand why they did. Also, I don't have a set of snowshoes, but everybody we've seen on the trail today has been wearing them, and that's probably going to be my next investment. I got some crampons, which I forgot to bring, which probably would have been at least a little more helpful, but micro spikes were just pretty much useless today. So consider that. But other than that, great to be back out here. Great to have some views, and great to see some gray jays. So let's go up to the South Hancock lookout and see how it looks. Look at you. All right, everybody, here we are, South Hancock lookout. And just again, beautiful day, 0 wind, just phenomenal. Gray jays just...
That's not the mountain we came from that way.
No?
Nah, it's this way.
Okay. Gray jays everywhere and just spectacular. Like I said, man, I've been skunked on my last few summits, and to come out and enjoy a day like today where it's just beautiful makes it all worth it. So North and South Hancock today for me, numbers 20 and 21. I'm almost at the halfway point. Unbelievable. Man, these guys are hungry today. Must have a good trail mix.
We're heading down, making our way that way, all right?
All right, buddy, I'll be right there. Okay, buddy. Unless there's anything cool on the way out, I'll see you in the parking lot. All right, guys, that puts a cap on an amazing day. 9.4 miles and 5 hours, 50 minutes. So both the Hancocks done. What a day. What a day. So let's go over some pros and some cons. Pro here, it's my first actual winter hike. So coming down the mountain, a lot more different than coming down in the summer. Very, very slick and very kind of almost sled worthy. The con here is I think the equipment. I had micro spikes and I just don't think that was sufficient. So I'm gonna have to invest in some snowshoes. But other than that, I will go ahead and rate this one, as the other people do, as difficult, because it is not easy to get up there, but pretty easy getting down and out. So yeah, ranking right up there. Great views at the top, just a tremendous day. Perfect conditions, awesome. Till next time.